Hey everybody, thanks for joining today. We're going to go over how I took my Ender 3 Pro 3D printer and turned it into a laser engraving machine with the 5-watt laser module kit from our friends at Creality. Step 1, get everything organized and unplug that printer! From the steps in the owner's manual, what we're going to do is unplug both the X and Y axis motors and limiter switch so that we can plug in our control kit. Alright, from the back of the printer, this is the Y limit switch, and over here is the Y motor cable. We're going to gently remove these. You don't want to pull or force any of these connections because we really don't want to damage anything. So gently just grab and then pull down a little bit, and it should slide out very easily. Okay, so for the X, we have motor here, and then the limiter switches in there. All right, let's pop off the X-axis motor and limiter switch so that we can get moving on to installing that control box. Next, we're going to get the control box, this lovely here, and we're going to connect it to the Y-axis motor cable and the Y-axis limit switch, and then again we're gonna go and do the X-axis the exact same way. Something really important to note for you when you're doing the installation is they've actually marked the cables with X and Y as to which of the axes you're going to want to put these on, so make sure that you're watching that when you're installing your control box. I'll get all these cables attached in record speed so that we can just skip to all the good parts. There we go. That one's hooked up. So that's our Y. Okay, let's get this X going. Up there. Like that. Gently push and secure the cable, not too hard. This guy here. Up in there. Just like that. And we got it. Perfect. Alright, so Y connected. And then we did our X connections. Those are nicely in there. Next, we want to bring that Z axis all the way up so we have room to put the laser module in around it. Now that we've adjusted our Z, it's time to get this mounting plate out. And what we're going to do is attach it up there, and I'll show you how. It just kind of hangs, and then you tighten the screw and away you go. So there's the thumb screw. When you're installing the mounting bracket, it's really important to put the piece over top of the wheels on your X-axis, not through or underneath. Next, we're going to do the laser module installation. Get the laser out, and there's 2 thumb screws in here that we're going to be using to attach it to the mounting plate. We're going to take our laser module, slide it on this side, and it just slides whoop, like that, nice up in there. And then on the side, there's the thumb screws to tighten. The Z goes right here. So we've hooked the control box up now into the power, and we have the red light on top. This is what my final modified Ender 3 Pro looks like with the 5-watt laser attachment. It was very easy to install. I followed the directions just in the manual. Overall, from following the owner's manual, my one criticism would be installing that mounting plate. Having a more clear instruction to go up and over the wheels would have been nice, because I did waste a little bit of time there. Overall though, very easy, very quick, and it wasn't anything complicated that I won't be able to revert back to my printer very quickly. I'm so excited to get the software going. Make sure you follow along because I'm going to do some how-to videos after this. And I'm ready. Let's get making.